guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good, staying safe and staying inside and staying active as much as you can. Today I just wanted to bring you guys an all-day clean with me because one, I've got nothing else to do, and two, I thought it'd be great to give you all motivation to keep your homes clean, especially during this time. If you are new here, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also head over to Instagram and follow me at iSydneyMichelle. Anyways, let's get into this.
Thought that I could be without you. Get back to a life that I once knew. But I don't know why I said goodbye, 'cause I can't do this. Every now and then I see you there, dancing on the floor like you don't care. Then your eyes meet mine and both our minds say I can't do this. Now I'm seeing double, 'cause I can take the trouble. I think it's time to accept that you'll be mine. And now I'm seeing double, 'cause I can take the trouble. I think it's time to accept that you stick to me like honey. What you do ain't funny. You stick to me like I stick to you like honey. What I do ain't funny. I stick to you like What do we even try if we never win? 'Cause I know it feels safe when I touch your skin. So we pretend it's fine, ignore the signs, but we can't get through this. We can keep doing this every time, but for now it hurts too much to say goodbye. So one more time, turn a blind eye and let's just do this. Now I'm seeing double, 'cause I can take the trouble. I think it's time to accept that you'll be mine. And now I'm seeing double, 'cause I can take the trouble. I think it's time to accept that you stick to me like you stick to me like honey. What you do ain't funny. You stick to me like I stick to you like honey. What I do ain't funny. I stick to you like
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life.
There's nothing better than lighting your candle after you've just cleaned up everything. Am I right?
Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
Oh my goodness, look at these two. I didn't even realize until after they did it. Oh my gosh, my kids are crazy. So for today in the girls' room, I'm taking off all their sheets and their pillowcases and I'm hand washing them. Our washer and dryer decided to break, so I currently can't use them. So I'm going back to the old ways and cleaning them in our tub, which isn't the best, but it's what I've got right now. But they came out really great and better than what they did if they were in a washer. But anyways, it's pretty much what I'm doing here, and just making their beds just to look nice until I'm able to put their sheets back on. as I mentioned before, I had to hand wash all of our sheets and our pillowcases and whatnot. So that's why you'll see my sheet hanging over the shower and Athena's pillowcase over the toilet. It was the only place I could think of to hang all of our things that had enough air circulation and wouldn't have to hang on the ground and whatnot. So just please bear with me and just leave that in the background and focus on me cleaning. Alright guys, well this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I am so grateful that you guys watch my videos. It means so much to me, and again, it just encourages me to do more. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys next video.